let's get some inputs from the user and show you how you can use inputs inside Java. Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to the Mentor Code Lab. This video is not that useful if you are aiming to mod Minecraft using Java. However, because this is a dedicated Java programming tutorial, I have to cover it. Now, without any interfaces, without having a user interface, how can we accept some inputs from the user of our application? The very first one is already here, the arguments. If you have some arguments at the end of your program at runtime in the console, that's the very first input. However, sometimes you want to get extra inputs from the user at runtime. At those times, you can use something called scanner class. Now, scanner class belongs to the package java.util, and it has so many methods. In this particular example, we will look at the very base example, and to use scanners, the best way is to have the scanner type from Java util. We call it the scanner, and we say new scanner. Now take note, we are using system.in. If you look at the Java docs for system.in, it says the standard input stream. This stream is already open and ready to supply input data. This stream corresponds to keyboard input or another input source specified by the host environment or user. In case this stream is wrapped in a java.io input stream reader, console.charset should be used for the charset, or consider using console.reader. Basically, now we are saying that, hey, we want the keyboard input to be scanned. We make a new scanner that is scanning the already existing open input from the keyboard. How can we get it? We can say a string password, for example, equals to, and you see the hint is correct. We can say scanner dot, and dot has so many methods for the scanner. As you can see, one of them is the next line. Now, next line means that pause the process of the program, wait until the user types something and hits enter. When he hits the enter, please read the line and return it as a string. As you see, we have next byte, next float, and things like that. Unfortunately, for passwords, we can't use stars to cover the text. However, let's do system.outprint password, and let's add something here, password colon plus the password. So if I run the application now, you will see that actually the application is waiting. The system.outprintln is doing nothing. And I can say, I don't know, Java 1, 2, 3. Hitting enter, now the program is processing forward and says the password that you typed is Java 1, 2, 3. So it took this as an input because I told it to do. Let's take a look at different things that we can use with the scanner. We have next boolean that reads a true or false value from the user input. We have the next byte that reads a byte. We have double that asks for a double. Float is asking for a float. Line, as you saw, is accepting strings. Long is accepting a long number, and short is accepting a short. And most of the time you will use one of these. Of course, you have big decimal, big integer. Most of the time you are using one of these that I talked about. And that's basically how you can take an input from the user. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell so that when I publish a new video, you will get informed. Have fun, everyone. Bye.